the West Indies women have suffered yet another sweeping series defeat, going down 3-0 to England in the T20 format. This is basically the same white ball unit that recently failed to qualify for the 50 overs World Cup, all under the stewardship of Australian coach Shane Beats. And look, we know the current West Indies team is the ultimate one-player team. They sink or swim with the performance of Captain Haley Matthews when we batter the ball. And there is little or no talent coming through the system. And so we engaged this Australian coach. But where are the improvements? In fact, the team will get worse. And it is rather frustrating to hear this coach every single defeat and after every single disappointment churning out the excuses in his Australian accent. If we're dealing with results, this coach should be fired like any other Jamaican or Barbadian or Guyanese or Trinidadian coach. We need consistency in our approach with the coach.